Every cyber attack begins long before the first exploit. It begins with reconnaissance. Attackers study your organization, identify opportunities, and look for the easiest way in. The question is, what do they see when they look at yours? That's exactly what our Hackers Point of View Assessment is designed to answer. Here's how we work. We begin with passive reconnaissance, gathering publicly available information about your technologies, internet-facing assets, and digital footprint, just as an attacker would. Next, we assess your external attack surface to identify exposed services, security weaknesses, and potential entry points that increase your risk. We then perform an OSINT investigation to uncover publicly available intelligence that provides a deeper understanding of your organization's external exposure. Using these findings, we map realistic attack paths to understand how attackers could move through your environment to reach critical systems and business assets. Every attack path is then prioritized based on exploitability and business impact, helping your team focus on the risks that matter most. Finally, we deliver a clear remediation roadmap with prioritized recommendations and executive insights, so your teams know what to fix, why it matters, and where to start. Because understanding how attackers see your organization is the first step toward building stronger security. Compliance tells you what needs to be reviewed. A Hacker's Point of View Assessment shows you what needs to be defended. Talk to our cybersecurity experts and see your organization through an attacker's perspective.